Jeez. It's insane out here. It's at least already like 2 or 3 inches. It's been snowing like this for probably like 30 minutes. I only just looked out here. But look at that. Like it's crazy. It's white. It's nighttime and it's brighter than it should be. Let's walk through the snow. It's perfect over there. There's our footprints. What time is it? Oh, let me check my watch. It's
almost midnight.
It's almost midnight. It's so cold. I don't have a hood right now, but he does. Lucky. Look at that.
I can't even see.
You can't, bro. There's a Gaga pulpit somewhere over there, and you can't even see it. My face. We're walking towards our Gaga pulpit in the backyard. Can't even see it. It's so snowy.
Bro, this is the craziest storm I've ever seen in November.
Yeah, November is wild. Okay, you're starting to see it now. Switch hands. So cold. Soon. I don't think we should go in there. We should save that. Yeah, let's go back. It's so cold, bro. Look at how deep this snow is. I don't think I've ever shivered this bad before.
Because of all the wind, that's why.
Yeah, I know.
Technically not as cold.
You can't even see my breath because of how snowy it is.
Stop filming with your hands.
Okay, goodbye. I'll see you when we're back inside. Okay, just got back inside like 2 or 3 minutes ago. I had to take off my glasses because they were so foggy. Now it's just all the melted snow on my glasses. Still can't see what's with my glasses on now though. Okay, I'm in the bathroom because in here there's like a hole in the screen window. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Listen. Hear that? I don't know if you can or not, but that's how windy it is. Here's the screen. Here's my backyard. Over there. Jeez, look at that. I still can't snowy it is, bro. My gosh. So, yeah. Crazy. My hair is so wet because I didn't have a hood. Brother did. It's whatever. I'll be okay.